Okay, I'm going to show you how to really easily take an image that you might find on the internet or take yourself into a full-size template that you can use for all sorts of things. Brackets, locating holes, um, positioning, whatever it is. So I'm going to go ahead and open up my file. This is my image, and the first thing I need to do is just kind of isolate the portion of the image that I'm interested in. So I'm just going to select this portion here and crop that out. It kind of helps save on the printer ink. And so first thing I'm going to do here is just take and do a page setup. And the thing that we need to pay attention to most is the scaling. We want this to be at 100%. Then we just do File, Print. I've already got one printed out, so I won't press the print button. And we'll take you to the print. Okay, here on the desk, we've got our 100% printout, and what we need to do is measure the feature on this page that we have a known measurement for in real life. And for us, the square hole where the accelerator cable clips into is considered our critical measurement. And so we'll just take some calipers, just take a quick little measurement there. We're sitting at about 0.3 inches. All right, we'll be as accurate as we can, but of course, image resolution and angle at which the picture was taken plays a little bit of a role there. So we'll just estimate that at 0.3 inches. Next thing we need to do is compare that to our known measurement. And the way I'm getting that today is from the bracketry that I already have for my accelerator cable. So again, we'll take our measurement, 0.53 inches. So I'll write those down real quick so I don't forget them. Okay, easy peasy. We'll get back to our calculations now. All right, need our calculator here, and we need to figure out our scaling factor. In this case, we got 0.53 as our known measurement that we need to get to. We're going to divide that by what we took off of our image, and we need to scale that image up 1.77 times, okay? Which is 177%. So then we're going to come back up here and do our page setup again, and we'll do our adjustment to 177%. We'll click OK, and then we're just going to print this image out again. Print, print. Now I've already got that one printed out as well. So we'll show you what we have after the full-size print. Okay, there it is. And compared to the original, of course, you see how the image is much bigger. And take a quick reference with our calipers. And you see we're pretty well dead on, okay? And from there, that's our full-size template. We'll take that to the car. We're going to use this reference here and this feature here to align this to the car, and that's going to locate where our square hole needs to be.